For 19 years, I worked at a photo lab located in Spokane Valley, Washington, in what used to be the University City Mall. The mall opened in 1965 and was a popular retail outlet until about the late 90s, when it faced competition from the newer Spokane Valley Mall. The photo lab I worked at, Group Photographers Association, was based out of the old department store called The Crescent. It's now home to J.K. Boots, a premium boot manufacturer. After the photo lab closed down, I eventually found a job with Decade Awards. They were in the process of moving their business from another part of town to a new site. As it turns out, this new site was literally across the street from the old Crescent building. While at the photo lab, I'd gotten into the habit of walking and taking photos in and around the buildings and vacant lots surrounding the area. I started building up quite a portfolio of street and nature photography. It was in this small area, about the size of a city block, that I've been able to witness the ever-changing landscapes of these properties. I guess I could say that it started with trees. There were some maple trees planted around the sidewalk of the Crescent building, and I started taking snapshots of the branches. One tree in particular always caught my attention because I was attracted to the way the branches interacted with the new paint job that the building got. I even experimented with some pinhole photography on this composition. I was always trying to find new angles of the same tree. This one was of fallen leaves in a puddle with the reflections of the tree's branches. This simple shot of the tree's shadow falling on the brick wall of the building has become my favorite. You get the sense of the tree being the subject without it even being in the picture. Killdeer often use these open gravel lots for their nests. And one weekend I spent hours staked out trying to get some decent photos of them and their young chicks. Killdeer chicks are so tiny. This photograph was taken about where the current Spokane Valley City Hall stands today. One day, I noticed the emergence of a strange bug on the walls of the Crescent building and the surrounding trees. Some research revealed them to be the larva stage of ladybugs, so I decided to document their development, from larvae to the emergence from pupa and into adults. This domesticated rabbit hung around the building for several weeks. And then there was one day when my boss told me that there was an American robin nesting in one of the trees out front. I didn't want to stress her out too much, but she seemed rather tolerant, so I got a ladder from maintenance, and a telephoto lens allowed me to get just high enough to get her peeking out of the nest. I hope you've enjoyed these images. It just goes to show you how if you keep your mind and eyes open, you can find art even while on a lunch break in an empty lot. So until next time, I'll see you on the trail.